BPC-157 is not magic. TB-500 is not regeneration. They enhance signals. They do not rebuild structure. Tendons have low blood flow. Cartilage has limited repair. Ligaments, slow remodeling. Healing speed is constrained by biology. So, what happens? They enhance angiogenesis. More vessels, more blood flow. They enhance cell migration and inflammatory modulation. They accelerate. They don't reconstruct. If structure is damaged, signaling alone won't fix it. That's where people get disappointed. So when you have a mild injury, signaling peptides work. Moderate degeneration, PRP. Structural damage, cellular therapy. And this is where we talk about mesenchymal stem cells, umbilical cord mesenchymal stem cells, right? So regeneration medicine is about matching intervention to biological damage, not chasing trends. So longevity is not a stack, it's a sequence. If you get the order wrong, you waste years, okay? So what are the foundations here? Sleep, 7 to 9 hours a day. Resistance training, 3 to 4 days a week. Protein, 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Stress control. Without this, nothing stabilizes. Muscle is endocrine, muscle is metabolic, muscle is protective. After 50, muscle preservation is longevity preservation. Hormones. Hormones regulate tissue integrity and energy partitioning. Optimize responsibly, not aggressively. Insulin sensitivity, visceral fat, mitochondria. Energy is life. Here you have advanced tools, peptides, regenerative medicine, only after biological stability. Longevity is not about fighting aging. It's about maintaining system integrity, muscle, hormones, mitochondria, brain. Build the system, age becomes secondary. Thank you. Subscribe, ring the bell notification, invite friends. Let's keep going.